Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a medical ID on iPhone. So let's say you are in a situation where you really can't access your phone, but you need this medical ID because this will provide you with really details about your health, and in a situation where you really need help, this feature can really save your life. So let me show you how you can activate, how you can create a medical ID profile on iPhone. So what you need to do is to tap on the settings button, and here scroll a little bit down until you see emergency SOS. Tap on there, and now here we have set up emergency contacts in health. So now tap on this button, and here you can create a medical ID. So medical ID provides a medical information about you that may be important in an emergency, like allergies, medical conditions, and medical ID can be accessed from the emergency dialer without unlocking your phone. So now tap on the create medical ID. From here you can add your birth, you can add medical conditions, medical notes, allergies, reactions, medications, add a blood type, a weight, a height, right? And also emergency contacts. So your emergency contacts will receive a message saying that you have a called emergency services when you use emergency SOS. So show when you are locked. So now just tap on next, tap on next, and here you have the information, your weight, your height, your emergency access. Okay, and tap on done, and you created your emergency profile. So basically that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and like this video. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you.